Hello everyone, this is Avni. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the second part of my tutorial series of face sketching. In the previous video, I have shown you how to sketch the eyes of both male and female. And in this video, I am going to show you how to make nose using charcoal. So without wasting any time, please subscribe to my channel and get into the video.
Before starting shading of the nose, it's important to know how to draw the outlines. So here I am going to explain you how to draw outlines for basic nose sketches, starting with the normal ones. At first, make a circle and draw a line from the center and mark 2 points at same distance from the center and join them to make a triangle. Now make the nostrils and the nose wings just like I am doing here. These straight line will provide us the tip of the nose. Now I am erasing the lines and making the final nose so that you can see it properly. Coming to the second one, this time making the line slightly above from the center to get thin yet long nose. Nose is a 3D part, so it will look clear only after working on shadows and highlights. Here I am making a snub nose. And in this, the triangle we made should be wide, and repeating the rest process. Now I am making a side-faced nose and again just changing the size of the line, smaller from the one end and making the curve for the bridge of the nose. With the same process, making the nose from the other side. And here we completed making the outline for the most basic 5 noses. So for shading the nose, I am quickly making the outline with the same process. Now beginning with the soft charcoal pencil for the dark outlines along with blending them. I am taking very small amount of charcoal powder in my brushes and shrugging off the brush to get rid of any extra charcoal present on my brush. And if somewhere I want a lighter shade, then I instantly use a kneaded eraser there. These line provides the starting point for the eyebrows when we sketch the whole face. Now giving a layer of hard charcoal pencil for the shadows and then blending them. Using a layer of charcoal powder for making it darker. Now working on some midtones. A very important thing to keep in mind while doing sketching is to always work in layers. Your artwork will not be perfect in a single stroke and blending. It will be effective only after putting up some layers, and in this process sometimes you have to use eraser for getting the perfect volume of shading. And make a note, I am doing the same here. For making it more smooth, I am using paper stumps, and finally adding some shadows to the nose again. So this process will go on until you get your desired result. And with this, I have completed making the nose. Hope you guys like it and also learned the process. Do let me know in the comments below and also give me suggestions for my next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and thank you so much for watching.